Hello guys, welcome to the our channel, and today we are going to see what it takes to install Ansible on CentOS or RPM based machine. So cat etc_release will give you what is the OS. So this is CentOS 7 and we have Python already installed. That's really great. So if not, then you can actually install it yum install Python. In this case, what you have to do is you have to install EPL release, that is like equivalent to updating apt update. And after yum install epel-release, you should be able to install Ansible. So yum is yellow dog update and modified. Yum install Ansible-y. So it takes time. The time is totally proportional to the internet speed. Cool, as you can see, it is installing so many other dependencies which will be needed by Ansible, like Python Paramiko, Python Pike Parser, Python PLI, as all the modules in Ansible are written in Python and executed in Python. So that's the reason it's the only dependency is Python. So it's in verifying state and completed. So now Ansible - version should give me the Ansible version, and that's it. How to install Ansible on Ubuntu. Okay, so first let's check Ansible - version. So Ansible is not installed on a machine. The only prerequisite for Ansible is Python. So as you can see, Python is also not installed on a machine. So how do we install Python on your local? That is Ubuntu 18.04 or 16.04. So apt install Python minimal, which should get you Python 2.7 installed on your machine. So in meantime, it'll be like you'll get Python 2.7. How do you check it? So you can just do Python and check it is 2.7. Let's move forward. So we are going to add a repository. So apt add -repository. We're going to add a PPA. So PPA for Ansible is PPA :Ansible/Ansible and hit enter. So this is going to add a repository to my Ubuntu. After that, we're just going to update our repository, apt update. This takes a little time depending upon the internet connection, and done. So now you're all ready to install Ansible. So sudo apt -y Ansible. It's that easy. So we have Ansible. So Ansible -f version should give us the Ansible version now. How to install Ansible using pip. So Ansible -f version should give you the version. So in this case, since Ansible is not there, so you are not getting, so you can see that Ansible command not found. So checking with Python is already installed. Let's try to find out if we have Python pip installed. So which Python didn't give me a command? Okay, so first thing is that yum install APL release. Cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do yum install and say Python pip. This should get me the pip, and when I have pip, I can have Ansible. Okay, it seems like things are working. So now what we do, let's check pip is installed or not. I think which is not available. When I say pip version, I can see pip is installed. Cool, if pip is installed, then when I say pip install Ansible, I should get Ansible. I have Ansible installed, and Ansible -f version should give me Ansible. Cool guys, thank you. See you in the next video.